Hello IG Garage family. Is your car throwing the P0074 code and you're wondering what's wrong? If your car's AC isn't cooling properly, fuel efficiency has dropped, or you're seeing inconsistent temperature readings, this code might be the culprit. In this video we'll cover what P0074 means, the exact sensor location which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Let's dive in. What does P0074 mean? The P0074 code stands for Ambient Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. This means the ambient air temperature sensor is sending irregular or fluctuating signals to the ECU. As a result, your car might struggle with AC performance, fuel calculations, and even engine cooling. Symptoms of P0074 include inconsistent outside temperature readings on the dashboard, the AC not working correctly, or fluctuating cooling performance, poor fuel economy due to incorrect air density calculations, and cooling fans running at the wrong speeds. Common causes of P0074 are a faulty ambient air temperature sensor which can wear out or get dirty over time, loose or damaged wiring, where corroded or disconnected wires can cause an intermittent signal ECU issues. If the ECU isn't reading the sensor properly, it could trigger this code, and extreme weather conditions as sudden temperature changes can confuse a failing sensor. Where is the ambient air temperature sensor located for P0074? Well, let's dive into the main sensor location. Main sensor location. The ambient air temperature sensor is usually located in the front grille, near the bumper. In some cars it may be behind the front bumper or near the radiator support. It is exposed to outside air to measure the ambient temperature accurately. Wiring harness location. The wiring runs from the sensor to the ECU or body control module (BCM). Check for frayed, loose, or corroded connectors along this path. Additional locations, some models. Some vehicles have an extra sensor inside the side mirror, especially luxury cars. A few high-end cars place the sensor inside the fender well to avoid heat interference. If you can't find the sensor, check your vehicle's service manual or look behind the grille. First, check the sensor readings. Use an OBD2 scanner to check real-time temperature readings. If the temperature jumps around, the sensor is faulty. Check the sensor readings. Use an OBD2 scanner to check real-time temperature readings. If the temperature jumps around, the sensor is faulty. 2. Inspect the sensor physically. Look for cracks, dirt buildup, or damage on the sensor. If dirty, clean it with electronic cleaner spray. 3. Check the wiring and connectors. Wiggle the wires while monitoring the scanner readings. If the reading fluctuates, there's a loose connection. 4. Replace the sensor if needed. Unclip the old sensor and install a new ambient air temperature sensor. Make sure it's securely fastened to avoid future issues. 5. Reset the code and test drive. After replacing the sensor, clear the P0074 code with an OBD scanner. Drive the car and monitor the temperature reading for accuracy. That's everything you need to know about P0074, Ambient Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. If your car's temperature readings are fluctuating or your AC isn't working properly, check this sensor behind the front grille or bumper. For more car fix guides, watch these videos next. 1. P0004 Fuel Volume Regulator Control Circuit High. 2. P0046 Turbocharger Boost Control Solenoid Circuit Performance. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.